Digital transformation has, in fact, enabled the use of AI and algorithms, where you could now cohesively uh, analyze a vast amount of data in real time, which impacts how you could minimize or detect fraud that's happening. And same thing, as you deploy these different models, you are now able to do some real-time monitoring and alerting. If you see somebody who's trying to do something erroneous, if your AIs has that data structured in a way with specific tags and labels, you could easily prevent that. The other challenge is with digital transformation, you see fraudsters being more persistent. You will see them identifying newer ways of identifying loopholes and backdoors, such as identity theft. They'll do things like, phishing, scamming, they'll do ransomware attacks, but they'll ideally work with the technologies and the controls you've put in place to be able to navigate and circumvent through them. And that also brings up an opportunity of you need to start looking at these trends and identifying how you can enhance your current landscape. So if you look at the financial institutions, healthcare institutions, gaming institutions, what they're now doing is starting to deploy new types of customer authentications that heavily rely on your digital channels like your mobile phones, your desktops. They will use things that are your intellectual property like your iris scans. They will use more biometric components. They'll do two-factor authentication. Ideally, anything that will add enough friction for the fraudsters to think twice before they could go and try to steal somebody's identity or their finances. But that's how I kind of see what we have learned from the past and digital transformation, what sort of improvements we're going to see.